Watch the video until the end and you will find a big gift for you.
3 simple tips for anti-aging. Anti-aging is a multi-million-dollar industry due to an ever-aging population that desires to stay young. However, you don't need to purchase unnecessary anti-aging products to achieve youthful looks. Instead, follow these 3 simple tips to stay young naturally. Tip number 1: nourish your face. Feed your body with anti-aging foods to stay young and healthy. Avoid junk food that perpetuates the aging process. The body knows what it needs, so give it the nourishment it craves. Tip number 2: engage in physical activities. Find physical activities you enjoy to keep your body active and limber. Whether it's walking, running, weight training, cycling, or jumping on a pogo stick, move your body and stretch your muscles. Tip number 3: avoid excessive alcohol consumption. Treat your body right by avoiding excessive alcohol consumption. Find enjoyable activities that don't involve drinking to maintain your health and happiness. In conclusion, staying young doesn't have to involve expensive anti-aging products. By nourishing your body with healthy foods, engaging in physical activities you enjoy, and avoiding excessive alcohol consumption, you can maintain your youth and enjoy a happier, healthier life. Remember, the key to anti-aging is treating your body right and having fun doing it. So, go ahead and live your life to the fullest, and you'll be amazed at how young you'll feel.
Take charge of your health and transform your body with our powerful Keto app. Download now and start your journey to a healthier you. We'll find the link in the description.